Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases slash sale information. It was my birthday last week and this week is our 10-year anniversary, which to me is just so wild because I remember in the beginning I was like, oh, maybe this will be like a year, 2, 3 type situation. It'll pay for the groceries, you know, I can do my part, and Scribble Co. is now my whole entire life. I love it so much and I just wanted to say thank you for being here with me, whether it's been all 10 years, 7 years, 3 years, 2 years, or you just popped up on this video now. I appreciate you. Let me know in the comments down below, how long have you been following Scribble Co., whether it's your first order or whenever you started watching the videos. Let me know. I'd love to know. And you know what? Let's do a giveaway in the comments for $100. This is all on the fly here, and just leave me some kind of answer to that question and I will pick a winner in a couple of days. So let's go ahead into the new releases and sale information. We'll go through the new releases first and then I'll kind of like explain to you what's going on. Okay, so first things first is we do have our 10-year bundle, and y'all, this one, I've been saving this art. I've had this art, I looked it up since November of 2022. So it's been like a year and a half and I have been saving it for the perfect time. I was gonna use this as a January mystery for like a birthday theme, but I was like, you know what? I love me some princesses. It's near my birthday. It's a celebration. And this isn't like necessarily birthday themed. It's more of just like a sleepover theme with Disney vibes, but I've been saving her and she is here and she is ready to go. I actually just realized what I should have also done, which maybe I still will, is do like a la carte items for this, like the doodles and stuff, because this, I've also had this specifically done for a couple months now, but maybe I'll go ahead and do that, is add some, you know, of the items like the scribblers and stuff as like a la carte availability. Let me know if that's something you want, or I can add it in, you know, the next new releases. Maybe I'll just do it the next new releases just to keep my life a little bit simple. And then keep it up for a little bit. But love this kit. I think it's so pretty. So you have Miss Rapunzel there, and then you have all your sleepover materials, food, makeup, DVDs, and then you have Tiana inspired, as well as some balloons, a little princess cake, as well as like a little sleepover area. I just think this works for so much and has so much potential for so many different occasions. I love these colors. They're so stinking pretty. You have Miss Aurora there, which is the nap queen. And then you have some champagne there as well. I love these patterns. Super cute. This is exclusive art by Dusk. And then the papers are by Kittenish Jess. And the papers themselves are just so adorable. I'm obsessed. I love it. And I love this like pattern, the like a hedge pattern. So cute. You have the extra color there, which is this lighter pink color, which you can see the darker pink color here, but against the other colors. It's a great addition. You have the doodles as well as some normal fashion options, but you also have Belle and Moana. I don't know why I was blanking on that, since that is Sis's favorite princess. But I think I'm actually going to use this. Me and Hannah are planning on doing like a little girls trip to Disney and taking Lila before she turns 3 and costs all of the dollars. So I think that'd be cute to take her, because it'll also be around her birthday as well. So that is the kit, and then it also will come with the foil, of course, but I already sell this up because I'm just doing it. So I thought that lavender hollow would be really pretty with this one. It's a pretty simple bundle, so I feel like even if you wanted to use a different foil with it, you can use this with something else. So this is going to be the shimmer bundle. So it's our normal shimmer bundle. You have your full box overlays and glitter header overlays, the shimmer bougie boxes, the icons and scripts, as well as the bottom washi deco date numbers and the fancy headers. So then you also get 2 more foil extras. This one here is a princess add-on, which you'll see will be coming to the shop in more foil colors. So this one here is Being a Princess is So Exhausting, and then you have the crown bottom washi, as well as some crown headers, crown deco, and then you have some scripts here which say girls night, up late, sleep in, chit chat, sleep over, get glam, big princess energy, and princess movie binge, which I think is super cute, as well as some birthday quotes in lavender hollow. So you have happy birthday love, on this day a queen was born, and let's party and make a wish. Super stinking cute. So that is going to be the bundle. So that will be available as a full bundle. And then let me go ahead and show you what's going to be available a la carte. So the foil bundle will be available a la carte if you want to pick up some extra of those. The quotes will also be available a la carte, as well as the princess princess add-on. So that'll be available in gold, in silver, in rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, champagne lights, lavender hollow, and matte bronze. Gonna be perfect for any princess sets as well, or anything that you need a crown for. So that will all be available a la carte as well. And then I do also have just 2 vinyl releases I'm going to throw in for this week, because it is Scribble Prints Co. vibes this week with the 10 years. So we do have the holographic Scribble Prints Co. logo. Super, super pretty. I have it actually on my laptop right now. And then the Scribble Squad is in a like sparkly hollow. And I think this is such a cute little sticker. It's a vinyl and perfect for smaller spaces to kind of like fill in. But those will also be available and limited stock as well. And that is everything for this week. So we will have the 10-year bundle. We have the vinyls. We have the foil. I will have a sale on a select selection of items. So kind of like an add-on sale. And then everything in the shop is going to be 20% off for the Wednesday through Sunday. So you will have a discount on everything in the shop, as well as the additional discount then on the like special items. Everything will be on the website, on Instagram, and then also there will be extended processing, just because sometimes when we have sales, it gets a little crazy. We need a little extra time. But and my friends, is everything for this week. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a comment about whenever you first join me, Andrea, Scribble Prints Co. down below for a chance to win a $100 shop credit. But other than that, I hope you like this video. I hope you like the kit, and I will talk to you in my next video.